So, good morning, Sharma. Today, this is an official inaugural episode of our school podcast. So, from here onwards, we will be channeling, we will be making so many podcasts on different interesting topics. So, today we are talking about the importance of English language, right? So, we know that English is a global language. People are using English as an innovative tool. Without English, we cannot do anything in the world. The importance of English is increasing day by day. What do you say on it?
English is the most commonly used language for communication, making it essential for travel, business and diplomacy.
You said it. Nowadays, English has become the language of the world, right? As an example, we can take when we are traveling outside the Kerala, okay, so we know that India is a language with India is a country with so many languages, right? It is very, very difficult for us to learn all these languages. So for us, instead of learning all these languages, that only one alternative is to learn English, okay? So we will go outside Kerala. If we are going for a tour to Munnar or Ooty, even though it is our neighboring state, what we will do? We will go to the shopkeeper and we will ask, what is the price of this jhumka, bhaiya, right? This is the way we used to talk, right? Haven't you noticed that before? Yeah. Right, yes. So the thing is that even for the day-to-day communication, we are using English, right?
Many of the world's top universities and academic resources are in English, giving students access to quality education.
You said it, that quality education, that is the very benchmark of every institution right nowadays, right? Quality education. So nowadays the people, the institution head, everybody are thinking in a very different perspective. So they are thinking like, if you want quality education, you have to improve English, right? So even the schools are prioritizing the language. We know that, right now we are doing a podcast in English, right? And we have an FM channel also in English. So even in school, the teachers are insisting the students to learn this language more. Why? Because it creates job opportunities. Do you agree with me? What do you say on it?
English proficiency enhances job opportunities as many multinational companies require employees to communicate in English.
You said it. So recently, many multinational companies are recruiting their people. They are recruiting their opportunities are created on the basis of the proficiency in the English language, like how they are efficiently dealing the English language, right? So in the first round of the interview, many MNCs are conducting the group discussion, and that group discussions will be in English. So at that time, we need to have a proficient English learning. We have to develop a good language, a good vocabulary in English. What do you say?
Most research papers and software programs and technical manuals are written in English, making it a key language in innovation.
Very, very correct. Most of the software languages, even if you are, mobile phone is one of the most used thing among the children, right? So even if you have to install a software, that license agreement, everything will come in English, right? So we need to learn English. We need to understand, even though we have to click that OK in it, right? We need to understand what actually it is written. So it is very, very important. Most of the software license, everything is written by the MNCs in English. So it is very, very, very important for us to learn English.
English is more than just a language. It is a bridge that connects people, cultures and worldwide opportunities.
As she said, English is a bridge that connects people of the different world, of different cultures, and everybody are bring together with a common sense. Everybody, we can able to connect with each and every people just with one single thing, that we know English. So if you know the language in a very efficiently or proficiently, we are able to use it, we can connect with the world. That is the present fact. Thank you, and just wait for more podcasts from us, and me and Sharma are signing.